Hello and welcome to this unboxing for today. We have this big box here from JLCCNC. Might as well start with who we are.
Yes, so I am the chairman of the board of AESIR. My name is Adnan.
And my name is Simon, and I'm the project manager for Mjollnir. The order we've received today is the bulkheads for the Mjollnir oxidiser tank. So we're both very excited to see what we've received from JLC.
Exhilarated.
Very much so. Do you want to hold this?
Yes, of course.
Box cutter. Let's see. First incision.
Some ASMR maybe? Alright.
Dull knife.
There we go.
Okay. Very nicely packed.
Very secure actually. Damn. There we go.
Okay. So we have two of each bulkhead, being the top and the bottom of the tank.
This must sound amazing on the video. Just bubble wrap, unwrapping.
As long as you don't talk over it.
Alright. I'll keep quiet.
It would sound nice. So these bulkheads weigh about 2.5 kilograms each, made of aluminium.
Maybe go with that, like, it's like a roll, I believe. Yeah.
And
Pull it closer maybe.
they are designed to be pressurized for around 60 bar with a safety factor of at least 1.5. And we'll see what we've got from JLCCNC. A big thank you to them as well for this great machining and finish as well. Let's see. Seems like this would be the top bulkhead. You can see the screw holes on the sides to connect to the tank tube where all the oxidizer will be. Then we have a few screw holes for sensors at the top, for pressure, for temperature, and also a liquid level probe, as well as some smaller holes for connecting to electronics bay on the top. Then I believe this is the bottom. Here we go. Here we have the bottom of the tank, very nicely machined.
And it's in steel, right? Stainless
No,
steel.
it's in aluminium.
Aluminium, alright. No.
Here we have the holes for connecting electronics from the top of the tank to the bottom. This hole here, the so-called raceway. Yeah. And that's about it for the bulkheads. Do you have any closing statements?
Thank you to JLCCNC
Yeah.
and for the amazing products, I'd say.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Very nice finish. And good shipping as well.
Yes. A very seamless and easy process, I'd say.
Yes.
There we go. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.